What's up guys, it's me Geek. So if you wanna lock some of the apps, maybe I wanna lock my YouTube app or my Chrome app, just go to the setting, go to the security and privacy on your EMUI 8 and then click the app lock. Okay, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, just 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, let me go to back. Set a 4-digit 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. What is your father name? Okay, Jamil. What is the father name? App lock 1 2 3 4. Okay, do you want to use fingerprint to quickly access the app lock? Okay, maybe I wanna lock the Chrome. Now the Chrome is locked. Let's see. Can we open the Chrome? Aha! You see? This is how you do the app lock, I mean. Now the Google Chrome is open. That's simple. Can we see again? Yeah, let me click it and then open the Chrome. Let me, for example, let me clear everything. Okay, now try to open the Chrome. You see? It was me, Geek. This is how you lock the app. Bye.